Welcome back to this series of conversations at the Dark Reading News Desk at RSA. Terry Sweeney here with Dark Reading, and joining me now is Jim Dolce, Chairman and CEO of Lookout. Jim, thanks for joining me today.
Pleasure to be here.
Well, you mentioned SSE, a term that's officially entered the lexicon as a secure service edge. For viewers who are new to this idea or this acronym, tell us a bit more about it and how it works.
Sure. I do think our industry has way too many acronyms. And SSE is yet another acronym that was born just in the past year or so. It comes out of Gartner, who recently put out a new Magic Quadrant for SSE technology. But what it really is a consolidation of technologies that have emerged over the past several years. So it is a consolidation of cloud access service brokers, or CASB, Zero Trust Network Access, or ZTNA, and secure web gateways, or what we refer to as SWIG. With the added options of data loss prevention and UEBA, which is user and entity behavioral analysis. So it is consolidation of technologies that really belong together into one new category called SSE. Now, these technologies, why do they belong together? Because if you, I like to refer to it in sort of a day in the life of a typical user, particularly a remote user. You wake up in the morning, you go down to your home office, you get on your laptop, and you may be accessing a software as a service, for instance, your email, Office 365 or Gmail. You may go to Salesforce, salesforce.com, Workday, whatever it may be. That's accessing SaaS services. You also may access, for instance, corporate enterprise applications that are sitting behind a firewall. You do so through ZTNA, and you may be accessing just the global internet and a global website, which you do so through a secure web gateway. So when you consider a day in the life, you're accessing data and applications, whether it be SaaS, enterprise applications, or just the global internet, and each of those requires a different component: CASB, ZTNA, secure web gateway. It's natural then that they all fit together and they all belong together under this new acronym SSE. Sure,
but correct me if I'm wrong, these functions are more powerful when combined than if they are standalone, correct? I mean, this is what gives the boost to the security posture, right?
Well, it is necessary to cover all access in applications. CASB, ZTNA, and SWIG do so. What the power of bringing them together under a single entity is you can set policies for protecting data, and a single policy then applies across all three access technologies, right? So I like to refer to it as CASB, ZTNA, and secure web gateway are the plumbing, and it connects us to various different things, and then the policies that lay on top of the plumbing are what monitors the traffic. And if you can set one set of policies independent of where the plumbing is taking you, it makes for a much easier operations problem.
Jim, great perspectives on edge security and consolidated functions to improve the risk posture. Thanks for joining us today on Dark Reading News Desk.
Thank you.